Join our 2-day training workshop to excel in the APMP Practitioner Exam, covering key competencies: research and management, sales orientation, planning and management, and development and behavior and attitude. You'll engage in practical exercises and a 100-question practice test. Complete our online training beforehand, focusing on crucial chapters, with links and a PDF workbook provided. Access our award-winning APMP Practitioner online program with 45+ topics, mentoring, and resources. Key highlights of Baachu APMP Practitioner Training: 4 core modules, 45 video lessons and pass cards and slides, 3 mock quizzes, and 1 mock certification exam. Sample paper with debrief, modeled on actual APMP Practitioner Exam questions. 350+ pages study guide, ebook, comprehensive coverage of key examination concepts. Revision lectures in podcast format. The workshop covers question types, syllabus review, sample scenarios, and 2 practice exams with reviews. In Session 6, we'll recap all learnings, exam techniques, and tips to ace the APMP Practitioner Exam. The workshop links and the PDF course workbook will be emailed separately before the event. You don't need to be an APMP member to register for the Baachu Live Workshop. APMP membership, priced at $170 via apmp.org, is not included in our training fee. The cost for the practitioner level exam is $425 and is not included in our training fee. Bring your laptop for live training session practice. Familiarize yourself with the Baachu Scribble online APMP certification course before the workshop. Our APMP practitioner training includes a live webinar, Baachu Scribble APMP Practitioner Program, 45 video modules, 20 hours of content, 350+ page guide, chapter tips, sample paper, and access to our exclusive Facebook community, podcast recordings, and revision workshops. Join our Facebook community for ongoing support and elevate your preparation. Invest in your future. Sign up today and let's move your career forward. Get APMP Practitioner and Capture Practitioner in just 1 month. Join our group training for a fast track to certifications. Email us at hello@baachu.com for details.